Hello everyone! In this video, I will show you how to install n8n locally on your Windows computer. n8n is an automation tool that lets you create powerful workflows by connecting different applications and services. It also supports AI-based automation. First, open your web browser and go to the official Docker website. Link of the Docker website is given, you can refer. Then, download Docker Desktop for your Windows computer. Once the download is complete, open the installer to begin the installation. After the installation is finished, restart your Windows computer. After your system restarts, open Command Prompt and type the command to verify the Docker installation. If it shows the Docker version, that means Docker is installed successfully. Now open Docker Desktop. You can either sign in for personal usage or skip. Next, from the Docker sidebar, click on Volumes and create a new volume named n8n_data. This is where all your n8n data will be stored. Then, click on Images and search for n8n. Select the official n8n image and pull it from Docker Hub. Once the image is downloaded, click Run and choose Optional Settings. Name your container. After naming the container, enter the port number. You can use the default port, which is 5678. Then select the volume we created earlier. For the container path, open the provided link. The link will be visible on the screen. Copy this path and paste it into the container path field. Next, we need to set the environment variables. First, create an environment variable for your time zone. The link will be visible on the screen. Please use the provided link to find your country's time zone and paste the value. Then, create the second variable and do the same. Then create two additional Boolean environment variables. Copy this part and paste it. Set the values to true. Copy the next part and paste it. Set the values to true. That's it. We are done configuring the container. Click Run and it will start running on your local host. Now, open your web browser and go to the provided link to access the n8n workflow interface. That's how you self-host n8n locally on your Windows computer using Docker Desktop. Thank you.